Hello everyone! Yes, I have updated my course The Ride. Now you get a new chapter where you will learn to create the animation from the introduction video. But that's not all. You also get 2 new cars thanks to the megafleet team, this beautiful Bugatti Vision and a Lamborghini Aventador. The Ride is my Blender car animation course created for beginners and intermediate users who want to get into car animation. Now you get 85 videos and 13 hours of training. And of course, everything is included. The cars, the assets, the add-ons, everything you need to follow along. You will also get my personal help on a private channel on Discord in case you're stuck or you need advice. In this course, you are going to cover all the topics you need to master in order to create your own 3D projects, such as environment design, lighting, animation, camera animation, camera framing for TikTok, Instagram or YouTube Shorts, smoke simulation, DaVinci Resolve, sound effects, and the list goes on. As I told you, all the assets are included, my updated city pack with skyscrapers, city props, and 22 new buildings that you can use in all your animations, HDRI Magic to create realistic animations in a few clicks, and with the collaboration of Ashour cars, 3D shakers, Zephyr 3D and megafleet, you will also get this C63 AMG, this Audi RS5, this Corvet C8, this beautiful Mustang, the Bugatti Vision, and the Lamborghini Aventador. Yes, once again, everything is included in this course. Although we will create complex animations, you don't need any previous knowledge of Blender or 3D. You can be an absolute beginner. I got you covered with a chapter dedicated to you. Yes, we will learn Blender through different examples involving vehicles, but my goal is really to teach you key concepts that you will be able to reproduce on any kind of projects. For this new chapter, the course is 25% off, so if you always wanted to start your journey in 3D and learn animation, now is the time. I will leave the link to the course in the description. As always, thanks for your support and I talk to you soon. Bye bye.